Morning, guys. I'm still locked in my room. I feel like I'm going to tell you a little story. I was a little boy once. I was. And my parents had a bird in a cage in the lounge. And I'm looking at this bird. And I'm thinking to myself, that's not fair. So I took it upon myself to take that little birdie outside, just put it in the back garden, open the door, and let it fly away so it can be free. Now, I ain't saying I'm no bird. Maybe a big bird, like the one up Sesame Street. But I feel like I'm locked in a bird cage myself. I've been in this bird cage for, well, metaphorically speaking, forever. But because I'm in isolation in this nation, I'm not allowed out of my room because of this COVID-19 thingy thing. Yeah. I feel like a little bird in a cage. How crazy is that? Anyways, apparently Kipling wrote a poem in 1911. Can you believe it? I mean, you couldn't make it up. Our poem was, I can't remember. That's not the name of the poem, by the way. That's just me saying I can't remember. But I will do. That's all I've got to say. I think it's 6:45, something like that. So today, I'm going to see if Satan's, I have to be careful how I say that, because it sounds like Satan's, will have some mercy and let this little birdie out of his cage, just so he can have a little fly around, a little chirp, a little chatter, and then I'll go back in the cage. But I'd all planned out what I was going to say, but I forgot. So I'll leave it, because there's some things left best unsaid, especially if you don't know what you're talking about. So I'm going to call room service and get myself a coffee. Not the best coffee in the world, I must add, but it is what it is. And then I'll be going on YouTube and checking out Man of Truth. That's right. Man of Truth. This guy knows this shit. And he does. He supports lots of channels, Earth Changes,